Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm talking about Fiction Profits Academy, FPA. You may have seen their infomercial. They have a very long infomercial that just goes on and on and on, and they are talking about um, getting you interested in publishing books through their system, and they show so many people that are making a ton of money, and the infomercial just is almost sounds too good to be true. And as you go further and further into the infomercial, they start talking about a money back guarantee, and I just think that it's important that people understand what that money back guarantee is, because I apologize for my dog. He's acting a little crazy right now. The money back guarantee is, I guess I don't want to use the word scam, but if you think that you can sign up for this FPA and it's just not for you and you'll get your money back, no, that's not the case. You won't get your money back. I happened to join up with them, and then all within the span of the first 6 weeks, my mom fell and broke her hip. My dad got diagnosed with bladder cancer and multiple other things. My husband fell and had a head injury, and it was just a really, really bad time for me. And so I looked into getting my money back, and of course you don't get your money back unless I'll read to you what the stipulations are for getting your money back. Got it right here. Okay, to qualify for a refund, we ask that you engage fully with our program by publishing a ghostwritten book, ebook, of at least 30,000 words on Amazon using the FPA system within 6 months of enrollment. This requirement ensures that you have utilized our methods to their full potential. Okay, so things you need to understand about FPA. For starters, I never had any idea how many other expenses were involved in writing, having these books written. You have to hire a ghostwriter, you have to hire a proofreader, you have to hire an editor, you have to hire somebody to design the book cover, the ebook cover. I mean, it is really, expensive to do all the things that you need to do. So if you're somebody like I was, who, I was looking for a way to make money, and I had hoped I could do it somewhat quickly, and no, it won't happen quickly. In fact, they have a Facebook group with people who all are members of FPA, and there were people posting on there regularly that they've been doing this for a year, they're not making any money. So I'm not saying you can't make any money doing it, but you have to have money to do the whole process, and not a little bit of money. I'm talking in the several hundred, maybe thousands of dollars, because if you tried it, gave it your full attention, like they say for the qualifying for a refund, that you gave it within 6 months, that you ghostwrite you have a book, an ebook ghostwritten with 30,000 words. That's not to mention that you, first of all, before you can do that book, you have to do a real short book that's called a lead magnet, and that's a book that you have ghostwritten, and you publish it, and everybody gets it for free. It's that's why they call it a lead magnet. It's to get people interested. It's to help you build clientele, an email list, or whatever for future books. So first you have to do that. I wasn't even done with that yet, and I had several $100s invested in a ghostwriter, a proofreader, an editor, and a cover designer. So you know, that whole process took me about a month. Like I said, all these bad things happened. I was like, I just can't do this right now. Can I get my money back? And they were like, no, you read the eligibility requirements. We don't give money back for health reasons or whatever. So, but the thing that was funny was as soon as I asked for a refund, I was immediately um, denied access to their site. So that even if I had wanted to continue on, I didn't even have access anymore. So, uh, you know, I'm not trying to slam them. I just think people should know because I was a little dumb about it when I went into it. And when they're talking it up and saying that there's a money back guarantee, you just think, well, how can I go wrong? I'll just, if it doesn't work out, I'll just get my money back. But it doesn't work that way. You don't get your money back if things just don't work out or whatever. You have to put a huge amount of effort in to then decide that you want your money back. And this is after having published your lead magnet book and another book. You will have spent quite a lot of money in the process. At that point, I don't know why you would ask for your money back, because at that point you're doing what you wanted to do in the first place. You're writing books, and then hopefully you start selling books. But if you're not to that point yet, and you're just looking for a way to make some extra money, if you don't have extra money, then this is not the thing for you. Because like I said, it takes a lot of extra money just to do the things that you have to do for this program. So I'm just putting this video up because I think it's important people know this. I wish I had known it, and I'd have money in my pocket that I don't. So just read all the rules and regulations before you sign up for anything, not just in this case, but it was a learning experience for me, an expensive learning experience for me. So I just wanted to put this video up so that maybe it wouldn't happen to someone else. So if you do the program and it works out for you and you're successful, congratulations. And everybody else, have a nice day.